Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your exact Windows build so you know what updates apply. Open Settings and check About. Once done, plug the PC into power and a reliable network because interruptions break installs. Make sure you free roughly 20% disk space and pause heavy apps so updates can write files. Then create a restore point for rollback. This protects you if a driver or feature causes trouble. Now open Settings Update and Security, Windows 10, or Windows Update, Windows 11 to start. You click Check for Updates and let Windows catalog cumulative, security, and feature packages. Cumulative updates apply fast because they're cumulative. Once updates appear, choose Download and Install for feature updates. These change system files, so expect a longer process. If driver updates look risky, defer them and get drivers from vendor sites. Make sure to schedule the reboot during off hours. You can pick Restart Now for immediate completion, or set a specific time within the next 7 days to avoid workflow interruption. After the system reboots, verify the update succeeded in settings and test your essential apps and peripherals to confirm functionality. If an install fails, note the error code and run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter because it fixes common component issues automatically. Once done, make sure to run DISM and SFC if files appear corrupt. These repair the image and system files. If problems persist, revert using the restore point or boot safe mode to uninstall the offending update, and then pause updates until a fix is released.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.